Store your queen cage in a cool, dark place until you're ready to install her in the hive. On your standard queen cage, there's going to be two little round corks. One in this end, one in the end that has the candy. The queen candy is this white substance. We want the bees in the cage, and even more so, the bees in the colony, to eat that queen candy and slowly, over a period of several days, release the queen into the colony. This gives them a chance to get used to her pheromones. We don't want her to just go out of the queen cage right away, because in most instances that would result in this new queen being killed. So before you install your queen cage, you need to remove one of the corks, only one. Do not remove the cork on the end that does not have candy. Only remove the cork from the candy end of the cage. Should you poke a hole in the candy to facilitate the queen getting out? No, you should not in most cases. When you remove the cork from the candy end, you can take a nail, a toothpick, a little stick, and just gently scrape at the candy and see how firm it is. It should be firm, but not rock hard. Sometimes weather conditions will cause the candy to be really hard, and in those situations, poking a very small hole through the candy is something that we can try. But in most situations, you should not poke a hole in the candy. The candy will be fine. And in fact, many new beekeepers have skewered their queen and killed her just trying to get a hole in the candy. If you go back to check the hive in 5 or 6 days and the queen is not out yet, at that point you may choose to just let her out, or at that point to poke a hole in the candy that will allow them to release her over the next day or so.